So let's first define what bindi is. Bindi is worn by women in Hinduism, Jainism, and Buddhism to symbolize marriage. The bindi is also said to be the third eye in the religion, and it can utilize to fend against bad luck. Whether it's because they're marriage or have another cultural connections, Indian women wear it in a way they represent their own culture. It was not designed with that culture in mind when Selena Gomez wore it. Instead, she wore it for entertainment and because it looks exotic, without understanding its cultural significance. Some fans argued that she was appreciating Indian culture. However, appreciation typically comes from respect, understanding, and acknowledgement, not by using it as a style. At the end of the day, Indian women wear it with the meaning because it is part of their culture.
Hello everyone! Today I'm going to share about the time when Selena Gomez wore bindi during one of her performances. Some people saw this as cultural appropriation since bindi isn't just about decoration. It carries deep religious and cultural importance to Southeast Asia. However, this situation also reminds us how artists can show cultural appreciation instead. Selena could have explained the meaning of bindi, show respect from the tradition it comes from, or work with South Asian performers to highlight its significance. At the end of the day, the line between appropriation and appreciation comes down to respect. When cultural symbols are recognized and honored, they don't just look beautiful. It also promotes understanding and celebration between cultures.